Introducing the Pearl and Bead Vise for drilling. Welcome to another episode of Professional Jewelry Making Made Easy. I hope you enjoyed this. I want to introduce to you this very inexpensive pearl vise for drilling. Basically, it's got different hole sizes for different pearls, I suppose, with a spring, and this locks. It's screw top, so it tightens. And basically, the idea is that once it's gripped tightly and you're holding on to this, it's a lot easier than trying to hold on to a pearl and it's moving. Very likely it's going to pop off. You might drill your hand. So this is a really good tool to have. And there are different roundnesses, basically, to hold on to different sizes of pearls. And what is a really good idea is if, say, for instance, you're going to be doing a lot with this one, for example, since we are going to drill this size right here, it's really good for you to hold it still and mark exactly where they meet, so that right here, take a marker, mark it so that it's very easy for you to see each time, especially when there's a pearl in it, for you to see whether or not they're both aligned perfectly. So actually, I'm just going to do exactly that right now. That is going to be the size I'll be using. So I've got that lined up. Now, if the pearl did not already have a drill hole, it'd be really easy to just pop it in. But since it has a drill hole and we want to make sure we're drilling right through that hole, the easiest way to do this is thread this through. Just a pin on that just to hold it. And then now you've got this inserted like that. And then I am now going to take a look to see that the lines are lined up, holding onto it. Just tighten a little bit. Just tighten a little bit. And then using this, I adjust. And then also, I'm going to make sure that these pieces are centered. You just want to apply it. These pieces here apply pressure so that when you are turning this, it applies pressure evenly. And there you go. Now you are ready to drill, either holding a free hand or resting it on something when using a drill press. I hope you enjoyed that. Stones and Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings. I'm going to leave more information below about our company and what you have seen in this video.